Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing an exciting case study on how we helped a real estate company streamline their asset management process using Zoho CRM and Google Drive integration. Managing assets can be overwhelming when data and documents are scattered across different platforms. Our client faced this challenge, needing a better way to keep track of their assets, documents, and maintenance schedules. We integrated Zoho CRM with Google Drive to create a centralized solution. Now, the team can access all asset information in one place, complete with automated notifications for key updates and easy access to relevant files stored in Google Drive. With this setup, our client can collaborate in real time, automate routine tasks, and gain valuable insights to make smarter decisions. No more clutter, just efficient, streamlined asset management. Want to learn more? Check out the full case study on our website to see how Zoho CRM and Google Drive integration can work for your business. Link in the description below.